Good morning, children. Welcome back once again. Today, let us start today's class with science with chapter 4. As I have discussed yesterday about the pure substance and the mixture. Pure substance and the mixture with the help of short practical also. So today I will discuss, I have taken few subtopics from your book. Subtopic, I will discuss each and every topic one by one. So I have noted down this topic on the board. Just look at the board now. Your chapter 4, this is your 4th chapter, and whatever the topic today I will teach you. First topic is mixture and its components. According to your book, few mixture are given. Few mixtures. So I will write one by one all the mixture here, and also I will write the components of the mixtures, whatever the present in the different mixture. As second topic, subtopic, I will teach today different forms of mixture. Mixture are of different forms. As you know, in chapter 3 you have studied about the all over the material present in the 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous states. So I will discuss the 3 forms of mixture. Forms यानी कि states. 3 states of mixture. After that, I will discuss about the types of mixture. According to your book, there is given 2 types of mixture. One is the homogeneous mixture and second one is the heterogeneous mixture. So, at the end of the completion of the 2 subtopic, I will discuss about the types of mixture and I will perform a little practical with the 2 types of mixture also. I will perform a practical to understood you better. After that, I will define both the type of mixture. After practical, I will define both the type of mixture. So let us discuss first topic. First topic, mixture and its components. I will first discuss with you mixture and its components. Look at here. Mixture and its component. According to your book, different mixtures are given. First mixture is, I am writing first like A. First mixture is air. As you know, you have studied in class 5 also, air is a mixture of gases. So what type of gases are present in the air? So oxygen, you know, everybody knows, carbon dioxide. Next one, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, helium, water vapor, and dust, etc. Many more materials, many more gases. Ozone also. All the gases are present in the air. So air is a mixture. All these gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, helium, water vapor, ozone, dust and germs, also microbes also. So air is a mixture. Air is a mixture. And all these are the components of the mixture. All these are the components of the mixture. And second mixture is the seawater. B, I am writing here. B, seawater. Seawater. I am just cleaning the board. Seawater. You have tasted the seawater. The taste of seawater is salty because the components of the seawater is salt plus water plus small sand particle. Sand. These are the component of seawater. Seawater and its components: salt, water and sand particles. These are the component of seawater. Next, come to the next component. I just clean the board. Next component is, next mixture is aerated drinks. Next is a aerated drink. Aerated drink यानी कि soft drink. You drink Sprite, Coca-Cola, Maaza. All these are the aerated drink. This is the next mixture is a aerated drink. Do you know how to taste the drink? Everybody taste it. So whatever the present in the aerated drink, first is water. Taste is sweet, so sugar. Little taste sour, so sour is the citric acid. Citric acid because of taste sour. Next one is the carbon dioxide, compressed carbon dioxide. Compressed carbon dioxide are present in the soft drink. Is it clear? Aerated drinks having water, sugar, citric acid and compressed carbon dioxide that are coming out of the bottle when you open the bottle. By jerking it, this carbon dioxide is escaping out from the bottle. So the aerated drinks and its components, is it clear? Water, sugar, citric acid and carbon dioxide gas get compressed. Next one is the next mixture is, look at here, next mixture. Your next mixture is lemonade. Lemonade. Do you know lemonade? Refreshing drink, lemonade. Lemonade you all children made in summer. Lemonade you prepare at your home. What is present in the lemonade? What are the components of the lemonade? What are the components of the lemonade? First one is the water. You prepare nimbu pani at your home. First component is water. Second one is taste is sweet. That means ki sugar. And sour because of the lemon juice. Lemon juice. And a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt also. So these are the component of lemonade. Water, sugar, lemon juice and pinch of salt also. These are the component of lemonade. So lemonade is a mixture. Lemonade is a mixture. And what are the components of the lemonade? The water, sugar, lemon juice and a pinch of salt. It is clear? It is clear? Lemonade is a mixture. Aerated drink is a mixture. Now next come to the next. One more example are there. One more example, that is the, as you wish, you may note it down or may not. I will provide it in this table through the classes. During classes I will provide this table along with the homework. E number according to your book. Crude oil. Crude oil. Crude oil. What is the composition of the crude oil? Petrol, kerosene oil and diesel also, and diesel. These are the components of the crude oil. Petrol, kerosene oil and diesel are the component of crude oil. So crude oil is a mixture. Crude oil is a mixture. Lemonade is a mixture. Aerated drink is a mixture. Is it clear? Is it clear? Air is a mixture. Now come to the next topic. Come to the next topic. Is it clear? Have you remembered? I will provide this table. You will note it down in your copy. May I clean this topic again? Yes, I am cleaning my board for next topic. Come to the next topic. Types of mixture. Second number. Different types of mixture. Different types of mixture means different forms of mixture. Different forms of mixture. As we know that all over the world there is a three forms of material: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Have you studied in chapter 3? Solid, liquid and gas. All the materials around us on our planet are present in three forms, three states: solid, liquid and gaseous states. So our mixture is also present around us in three forms: solid mixture, liquid mixture and gaseous mixture. Do you know? Solid mixture, liquid mixture and the gaseous mixture. Do you know what is the solid mixture? solid mixture include, first of all, soil. Whatever I study, I told you, I have seen you, soil is a mixture. Number 2, alloys like brass. Do you know brass? Brass utensils. Mama perform puja, do puja with this brass utensils, pital. And next one is the bronze. Have you seen medal? Bronze medal. Next one is the bronze. All these are the solid mixture. Bronze. And the next one is the fuse wire. Have you seen fuse wire? All these are the solid mixture. Soil, solid mixture. Brass, solid mixture. Bronze, solid mixture. And fuse wire is a solid mixture. Have you seen the mixture of the soil? Soil is a mixture. Whatever the present in the soil, have you seen? Study in the practical. But what about the brass? Brass is also a mixture with the combination of copper plus zinc. Do you know? These are the metal. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. Is it clear? And bronze is a mixture of, this is bronze. Bronze is also a mixture of copper plus tin. These metals. So the brass is made up of copper and zinc. Brass is made up of copper and zinc. And bronze is made up of copper and tin. So bronze is a solid mixture. Brass is a solid mixture. Soil is a solid mixture. And what about fuse wire? Fuse wire is made up of tin and lead. Tin plus lead. Shisha. This lead yani ki shisha. All these materials, all these are the mixture. Soil, brass, bronze and fuse wire are the mixture. And why the brass is a mixture? Because this brass is made up of combination of copper and zinc. And this bronze is made up of the combination of copper and tin. And this fuse wire is made up of tin and lead. So all these materials are solid mixture. Come to the next. Liquid mixture. You will note down all these the materials. Come to the liquid mixture. Liquid mixture consists of salt solution, sugar solution, salt solution. It may be sugar solution, and other one is the aerated drinks, sea water, aerated drink, sea water. Is it clear? I have discussed just little before. Salt solution, water plus salt. Sugar solution, water plus sugar. Aerated drinks, many more: salt, sugar, citric acid and the carbon dioxide. And sea water is the liquid mixture. What is present? Salt, water plus sand. Is it clear about the liquid mixture? Clear? Liquid mixture. Salt solution is the liquid mixture. Sugar solution is the liquid mixture. Aerated drink is the liquid mixture. Sea water is the liquid mixture. So why these all the liquids are mixture? Because components are, one or more components are mixed together. Water and salt, water and sugar. Aerated drinks है, sugar है, water है, citric acid, carbon dioxide, and sea water consists of salt, water, sand. Is it clear? Liquid mixture clear? Now come to the gaseous mixture. May I clean this board? Come to the gaseous mixture. You know, LPG is a gaseous mixture. CNG is a gaseous mixture. And air is the gaseous mixture. And PNG is also a gaseous mixture. All these are the mixture because LPG is made by the combination of two or more gases. CNG is also made by combination of two or more gases. You will study in the higher classes. So I am not discussing about the composition of the LPG, CNG, and you know the composition of the air very clearly, very easily. PNG also made by the combination of the different material, different composition are also there. All these mixture, LPG, CNG, air and PNG are the gaseous mixture. They also having the different components, but you will study about the components of all these the gaseous mixture in the higher classes. So I am not discussing about the components of this gaseous mixture. Now I will perform a small practical about the homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture, and after that I will define the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. First perform the practical. Let's perform the practical. Let us perform a practical of homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So I have just collected few materials here. Here is two glasses filled with water, little amount of sugar, that is a component of the mixture, and little materials here that is used for making heterogeneous mixture. All these are the components for making mixture, and here is two glass and having water. First of all I will make a homogeneous mixture by using a component sugar. I will take little sugar with the help of spoon and get it mixed with this water. Slowly and slowly I will stir it, slowly and slowly this water get dissolved completely in this solution, in solvent completely. All this sugar get dissolved completely, uniformly distributed in water. Slowly and slowly I am stirring this water and solution. Slowly and slowly all this sugar get dissolved in water. We cannot get separate this sugar from this solution because this sugar is uniformly distributed in solvent or water and make a solution, make a mixture. So such type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture because components are uniformly distributed and cannot be distinguished from the mixture. So such type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Is it clear? Have you understood homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture by using a sugar solution, component sugar. This sugar is dissolved in water uniformly and we cannot get back this solution, sugar from this solution. So such a type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Now come to the next mixture, heterogeneous mixture. I have some components. These components also again I keeping it inside this glass having water. Look at here. These are the components. I keep it inside the water and I also stir it slowly and slowly. These materials are not soluble in water. This is insoluble material and settle at the bottom of the glass. Look at here. Settle at the bottom of the glass. That means that these components, this materials do not dissolve in water. They settle at the bottom of the container, bottom of the glass. They do not dissolve in water. So, and these materials are not distributed uniformly, not mixed in water uniformly, and we can separate this material from the water, from the solution, from the mixture. So such a type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture because components are not uniformly distributed and this can be distinguished from the water. So such type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. This is heterogeneous mixture because components are not uniformly distributed. They make a separate layer, settle down at the bottom of the glass. So such a type of mixture is a heterogeneous mixture because components are not uniformly distributed and we can distinguish each and every components from this solution, from this mixture. So such type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture and such type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture because components are uniformly distributed and we cannot get back the components again, cannot be distinguished. So have you seen, have you understood both the type of solution? I think you have understood the solution homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture. So I will define both the type of mixture through the board, and have you performed the practical, and also I think you have understood the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. As I have performed a practical, demonstrated among you what is the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. I have demonstrated through a practical, and I think you have understood the difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. I have written the definition on the board, so look at the board now. Look at here. This is homogeneous mixture. I have written homogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture and how will you define homogeneous mixture? Look at here. A homogeneous mixture is that which has the same composition throughout. Whenever I mix the sugar in the water, the sugar will not visible in the water. That is the throughout. And its component means sugar are uniformly distributed. Uniformly distribution is mixed together each other and cannot be distinguished. Sugar cannot be separated from the water from each other, means कि sugar and water cannot be separated. So such type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Is it clear? Homogeneous mixture definition. Homogeneous mixture is that which has the same composition throughout, comma, and its components are uniformly distributed and cannot be distinguished from each other. For example, lemonade, nimbu pani, salt and sugar solution. This is also an example. And alloys, that is the mixture, means ki brass. Alloys matlab ki two metals are mixed together. Brass, that is the mixture of zinc and copper. Brass is the mixture of zinc and copper. And this is the bronze, that is also the copper and tin. And many more examples also maybe of the homogeneous mixture. Is it clear? Homogeneous mixture. Now come to the point, heterogeneous mixture. I will just change few words in this definition and changes the homogeneous mixture into heterogeneous mixture. Look at here. Homo, I am removing. I am writing here hetero, H-E-T-E-R-O, heterogeneous mixture. Now again I am changing here a heterogeneous mixture is that which has not add करेंगे, which has not the same composition throughout, because we are defining heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture is that which has not the same composition throughout. Only I have added not, and here I have changed homo. Okay, not the same composition throughout, and its components are not and its components are not uniformly distributed. Is it clear? I have added here not and here not, and here hetero and hetero. Components are not uniformly distributed and can be, I am removing here from not removing, and can be distinguished from each other, because whatever the components I mix with the water, that can be separated. Not like a homogeneous in the heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so I just removed not from here and added not and not here. Okay, can be distinguished from each other. Example also get changed. I will write the example of heterogeneous mixture, because this is the definition of heterogeneous mixture. Once again, look at the board. Heterogeneous mixture definition. A heterogeneous mixture is that which has not the same composition throughout, because there is a separate layer of the components in the water. That is the that is the heterogeneous mixture, and its components are not uniformly distributed, because we are saying we are separating, we can separate the components from the water, and can be distinguished means we can separate the material components from the water from each other. For example, pebbles pebbles in rice. Pebbles are separated from the rice. This is the example of heterogeneous mixture. And second one is sand in water. Sand in water, etc. Many more examples may be. Is it clear? Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that which has not same composition throughout, and its components cannot be uniformly distributed, and it can be distinguished from each other. For example, pebbles in rice and sand in water. Is it clear? I think कि you may understand the definition of heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture. Is it clear? You will note down and write down this definition in your copy. I will also provide the two tables, that is having the mixture and its components, and different states of mixture and its components also. I will provide you with the homework at the last of the video. You will note it. And today I would like to conclude my class, and have a nice day.